everyone. We're in that fourth week of March and we're to that middle of the weekday. What's the middle of the weekday? Because there's 3 days here and then this day and then 3 days after that day. What's that middle of the weekday? Starts with a W. Today's Wednesday. What number do you think is here? I see 1, 2, 3. I would expect to see 24. It is 24. So let's say the date today. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. Now, if today's that middle of the weekday, Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? What comes after Wednesday? That's right, Thursday. And I would expect to see a 2 and a 5 here for the 25th. All right. Who remembers how many days are in the entire month? Because we don't have very many left. Look, there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days left in March. Who remembers how many days there are altogether? What will be behind this card? If you said 31, you're correct. There are 31 days in the month of March. All right. I want to do some big numbers with a word family today. So I picked 10, 13, and 23 because I know that 2 of these add up to 23. Okay. So some big numbers. Can you handle it? I bet you can. So my first addition number sentence is going to be 10 plus 13 equals 23. Now, I want to show you how you can count to 23 with your fingers. So we know here's 10, right? All right. Now, so if you have 10 plus 13, you can do 10. Then you can put 10 up again. That's 20. We count by tens. And then 3 more. 21, 22, 23. So 10 plus 13 is 23. Now, what's the next step? When I'm making a fact family, I have one of my addition sentences, and I need another one. What's the other one going to say? Is it going to start with 23? Not till we start subtracting. So we're going to take these 2 parts, and we're going to flip them. And we're going to call it 13 plus 10. And that will still equal 23, because it doesn't matter. If you have 10 suckers and 13 suckers, or 13 suckers and 10 suckers, it's still both the same. It's still going to be 23. Now, we're going to write our 2 subtraction sentences. Now, for that one, you don't have any choice what you start with. Okay, the first number has to be the big number, and 23 is the big number. That's the 2 parts together make this whole number, this big number 23. You have to start there because when you subtract, you take the whole amount and you take away one part, and that leaves the other part. So I have 23, and the first number I'm going to take away is 10. So then I have to use that third number. What's the other number that's going to equal? 23 take 10 away has to equal, 13. Okay? Now, I'm going to start with 23 again because that's my biggest number. And instead of taking 10 away, this time I'm going to take 13 away. But I know that when I use these 3 numbers, that my last number has to be the other number, which is 10. All right? So 10 plus 13 is 23. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 minus 10 is 13. And 23 minus 13 is 10. And there's another good fact family for you. All right. Now, you on your VLA, you've been talking about F, the letter F. What sound does F make? It only has one sound, and it's It makes a f sound, like fish or finger. Okay, that's F. Now we want to write some. This will be fun. Some of our word family words. We want to think of some word family words that start with F. All right, that's tricky. So I know they're all going to start with F. Let's think of some word family words that we could use F at the beginning. How about, can we put A in by F? Let's see what happens. If we do F, A-N, because A-N is one of our word families, right? Can, man. Does this work? It does. It makes fan. I wonder if an F will work with an A-T word. Let's see. F, and I'm going to add my word family A-T. F, A-T. If this is fan, what's this one? Fat. It does work. I wonder if it will work with IT, that IT word family, like sit, pit, hit. If I put F in front of IT, what will I get? It. Fit. It does work. Okay. I wonder if there are any more. I wonder if it works with UN. Let's see. F, UN. Was that one of our UN words? I think it was. Fun. Yep, it works. All right. Now, Mr. Wiseman talked to you about this word family, A-L-L. Now, if I put F in front of A-L-L, what does that make? All. Fall. And he also talked to you about this A-K-E word family. What if I put F in front of A-K-E? A. That silent E makes that A say its name. Does that work? It does. So let's read these together. Fan, fat, fit, fun, fall, fake. That was cool. All right, so maybe you can think of some more words that start with F. Doesn't have to be a word family, but words like fish or finger or, let's see. We got fan already. Think of some other words that start with F, and maybe you can write those down today. Have a great day.